Show these chickens. Hey, YouTubers. Happy Tuesday. Look at the chickens are free range. They are having a good time. And some of the goats too. How cool. Well, hello there. Yeah.
Yeah, at sunset, as it starts getting dark, because they can't see at all at night. Alarms are bad.
Wow, I didn't know that.
So they'll start working their way. As the sun sets, they'll start working their way back to the house.
What kind of chickens are these?
These are Rhode Island Reds.
Rhode Island Reds. Hey, you little ones. They're trying to get in the car. Those are cool. It's a beautiful day. I'm out here at the ranch because we had one more door to do. We had one more door to do. Look at this place. Pretty cool. Beautiful. It's like 80 degrees. Warmed up. Hey, you. How many eggs do you get?
None yet.
They're just babies too, huh?
Yeah, they got about, within a day, probably within the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, because they're full grown now. Starting to lay lots of eggs. That's cool. They're really inquisitive. It's neat.
They're actually like cattle. They actually eat grass. Bugs are kind of like
Hey, boys. Hey, goaties. Goats. What are you guys doing today? Hey, look at you. Hi, baby. I know. You're beautiful. You're beautiful. This is quite a beautiful piece of land. That's the rooster. There's two roosters. I think those are them right there. Beautiful Texas day. Gorgeous. That's the last door handle. And then they all work. All 4 of my door handles are now installed. And that was fun. I love seeing all the animals, the chickens, the goats, and this beautiful land. And it's so close to, I mean, they're still in Knox City. They're just a couple miles out of the city. Well, town really is not a city. There. Now this road here, which leads you back to the main highway, is 75 miles an hour, if you can believe it. It is. Nothing like Florida. You're not in Kansas anymore. I'm on my way to the food bank in town. and I'm going to meet Mark there, and I'm going to be giving out boxes and bags of food at the pantry. So that'll be a nice thing to do. You do this, I think, once a month on a Tuesday, or maybe, yeah, once a month on, I think it's, I don't know if it's the second Tuesday of the month. Okay, back on the road to Knox City. Cotton to the right. Oh yeah. It's amazing how warm it feels. It's 83 degrees, at least in the car here. Oh, I'm so glad all 4 of my door handles are now working and looking like new. You don't realize how much you need something till you don't have it anymore. That's true with just about anything, isn't it? I haven't had a chance to really answer every single comment, but I read them, and I want to thank you for commenting, and trying to think if there's any questions that I need to answer. Not really. Just knowing that you guys love me and all, and feel like you want me to continue my channel, I am going to. And it may not be the channel it started out to be, although I don't know, it really is the same. I don't think I've changed much. But yeah. This is life in West Texas, and I know I'm going to do some nice side trips. I'm definitely, eventually anyway, after the winter, I'm hoping to be able to grab Kat and Mark and head to perhaps the Alamo, which would be really something to see. And Austin, Texas, I want to see. So there's places right here that I've never been to. To the right, there's the cemetery. Knox City. Knox City Cemetery. Home of the Greyhounds. And I'll tell you what, they've got a lot of people behind them. People love their teams here. It's very, very, very popular sports. It's really neat to meet someone that's like actually born here in Knox City. And they go away, they'll go to, you know, they'll join the service or move or do this or that, and then they come back. So it says 1,130 population, but now that I've joined, it's 1,131. Yeah. Take you to the food bank with me. I think this is the way to go. People. I can't believe how many cars are here. Okay, talk to you soon. Hey YouTubers, it's the end of the night. It's I don't know what time. It's like 10:25, and it was a pretty good day. Got that last handle put on my truck, so all four of them look great and work. Um, did a little volunteer at the food bank, and there were lots of people outside. I don't know if you could see them in the video. You can see them if you look, but they were lined up. I mean, I was surprised to see so many people. And they give them lots of food, vegetables and meat and bread and canned goods. It's really amazing. It's really great. So that's something that the church that we go to basically gets the helpers. And when people get like a basket and a big bag of vegetables, and they don't have to take them out to their vehicle. The people that volunteer walk the people to their vehicle and put the food in and help them. And then there's people that don't have ways to get there, and Mark and a few of the other men have a big truck, and they load that up, and they actually deliver to people that can't get out food. So it's quite nice to see. What a lovely town. I mean, I know I say it all the time, but it's a very special little town. I really like it, and glad to see what happens and be a part of it too. So I'm very grateful. And then got home and had a spaghetti dinner at Kat and Mark's house and played rummy, a couple games of rummy. And then I'm watching The Voice, which we recorded. And it's all in all a quiet day, which is fine with me. Hope you're having a beautiful night. Sleep well. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace out.